Just a small town girl living in a lonely world.
I want to thank to Miss Rita Gan and all the PDNs, Miss Lin, Miss Junita, and also Miss Sandy, and also my colleague, Sister Gan, and my preceptor Katiga. They are not able to come here today, but I would like to thank them. That's all.
I definitely think that the internship has really helped not only me but all of us, because it provides a guideline to prepare us from a fresh graduate to a full-fledged nurse. It also has got a few programs, like we get to meet up every month to share all our feelings and experience that we have in the ward. So we get to know what is actually happening in everybody's life.
Hi everyone, I just want to be myself and go with the flow.
Hey, I need to thank you, Miss Rita Gan, Miss Lin, Miss Junita, Miss Sandy, and then my BDM Maylee and Sister Chan, and then and all the BDN.
Get to discuss mistakes and find solutions. Get to meet everyone.
Our RN intern days, we learn the skill and we learn how to care our patient well, and we have to learn how to apply our theory and our knowledge in our practical area.
One word to describe your feeling being a registered nurse. One word. What's your feeling?
One word. Stress.
Half sad, half happy.
More responsibilities.
Happy.
Someone to sing the blues.
Thank you everyone.
It goes on and on and on.
Ping Ping.
All of us, because we have a few programs.
Okay. 声音要大声一点。有 hand